Come into the kitchen with me. We'll cook up something yummy, savory, spicy, or sweet, to satisfy your tummy each and every week. It's Wednesday, and that means it's time for In the Kitchen with Miss Paula Harmonica Mama, and it's gonna be yummy. Well, good morning again, and welcome to another edition of In the Kitchen with Miss Paula Harmonica Mama. And today I'm going to be making something kind of fun. I'm the kind of person that likes to change it up every now and then. So, one of my favorite places to peruse different recipes and stuff is Taste of Home. So, I got this recipe from Taste of Home, and I'll put their link in the comments once I get this posted. So what we're going to be making today is bacon and egg bundles, and then I'm going to add extra toppings and stuff like that. My mom really likes sour cream and cheese on her fried eggs, so I'm just kind of combining those. So let's get started. I'm going to turn you down here a little bit, and what I'm going to do is I am going to line a muffin tin with bacon, partially cooked bacon. I'm only going to make 4 because there's just 2 of us eating, right? So I kind of want to get this sort of like crisscrossed in the bottom of the pan. Maybe I'll move this here just a little bit more. Whoops. Here we go. So I have like 2 slices down there, and we'll put one other slice across it. You see how this is just partially cooked? Then I'm going to take a full piece of bacon, put that squished down there, and wrap it around the muffin tin. Well, this bacon has enough grease in it and stuff that I don't think it's going to stick. But yeah, I always kind of like doing something just a little bit different. And actually, when these come out of the oven, they just look so cool, and they're kind of fun to eat. Bernie really enjoyed it the first time I made it. I mean, just a little bit too long. But I just like switching stuff up every now and then and making something a little bit different and maybe a little bit more interesting. I need one little small piece there. There we go. Now, they mentioned using a high quality bacon. If you want to get a really high quality bacon, get Wright's, but it's cost an arm and a leg. I'm just using Krager. I can't talk these days. I'm just using Kroger quick, thick cut bacon. Okay, I want to get one more of these. I'm just cutting it up a little bit here. Get it down in there. I tell you what, I'm looking out my kitchen window here. It is absolutely a gorgeous day. I think once I get this done, I'm going to have to go outside for a little while. Oh, actually, before I get done, I'll tell you what I'll do is we will go outside while they're in the oven. And I ended up planning my, going ahead and putting my green onions in the ground. So we can take a moment to go out and look at them. Okay, so then what we do is we'll crack an egg and put it right there in the middle. I'm pressing that down just a little bit more and see what I'm doing there. This will be fun. That one's kind of up. All right, there we go. Get that one in there. So I'm cooking these at 325 in the oven, and my oven is preheated. Get in there, egg. And I'm going to cook it until I can see that the whites are done. All right. Now, I have some cheese sauce left over from when I made cheese sauce for broccoli the other day. So I'm just going to get some, like a teaspoonful or so. And we'll plop it right on top of the yellow of the egg. And it should melt nicely. We'll see. It might be a hot mess. But I'm just kind of scooping it on like that. Or stuff doesn't get wasted so much. But I do have some broccoli left, so I might need to make that with my dinner tonight. I'm planning on making, well, it's going to make catfish salad, so that may not go with that real well. All right, here we go. Okay. We've got that there. And now I am going to pour a little bit of water in all the extra or the empty spaces in the muffin tin. I don't know, I read that tip somewhere, probably 20 years ago or better. And it helps, it creates some moisture and steam in the oven, but it also kind of keeps things from totally drying out when you don't have all your muffin tins full. And it kind of protects the empty muffin tins as well. All right, so this is going to go in the oven and just until the whites are done. So we'll see how the time goes with that. I'll be right back with you. Okay, here we go. We are outside, and I'm going to turn this camera around a little bit and let you see what my little green onions are doing. Hang on a second here. All right, so it looks like I will need to put some water on them in here in a little bit, but I think they're looking pretty good. And this will be fun this summer. And I have, when I put a little bit of the green onion things on my eggs later. I'm going to cut off the bottoms and save them so the grandkids can help me plant them on Monday when they're here. Be back soon. Okay, I'm getting ready to take these boogers out of the oven. I will be right back with you. Hang on a second. Okay, they are out of the oven. Let's take a look at them. Let me get this turned down here. They smell marvelous. Yep, they are looking pretty good. Now, let's see if they'll come out okay. I think I'm gonna use my little pie thing. It kind of fits down in there better. Alrighty, there we are. How cool is that, huh? I think that looks particularly yummy. Now, I'm gonna set these others aside here for a second. Okay, now I'm gonna get a spoon. Oh, I need a fork too. All right, so I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream on top of this. Yeah, and I'm going to let my finger. And then I'm going to like not do that first part there. I'm going to put a little bit of these green chives on top. Okay. And then let's do a taste test here. Oh yeah, that cheese melted really nice and got a little bit of my yellow runny, just like I like it. Let's turn this up just a tad. There we go. Very nice and tasty, very yummy. And it makes for kind of a different swag or a different take on bacon and eggs for your breakfast or your brunch, whatever time of day that you're going to eat it. So enjoy. Oh, now don't you be square. Make yourself some bacon and egg bundles extraordinaire. Well, so long, folks. It's been fun, and those bacon and egg bundles were really, really yummy. We had certainly enjoyed them. Please remember to to like, to share, especially share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next Wednesday. Love you. Bye-bye.